Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn from Florals.com and today I am in Birmingham, Alabama for a work trip and thought I would take you guys along with me to check out a Tuesday morning in a different state. Leave me a comment down below with how your Tuesday morning is in your local area, but let's head on in and check this one out. Of course, I need to start at the clearance section. And this one's a little bit messy, but that's okay. We can work with that. And it's got a full aisle here of fun goodies to look at, but two whole panels of clearance, which is just so great and really surprised me. But there are some name brands that I see here, a lot of stationery that I don't know too much about, but a lot of name brands like My Mind's Eye here, some chipboard pieces, lots of journals. Hopefully some traveler's notebooks will be in here, some pen sets. A little disorganized, but that's the beauty of finding a deal. They also have these baskets down here, which include some of these fun pre-made pieces, and then some fun different Cartabella and Echo Park collections, which seem a little bit overpriced, $12 for that wedding themed one, but they are the mega packs versus the normal packs. Then there's these fun wood veneer letters. More paper over here. These are those sort of variety packs that just include one double-sided paper, and then they have some sticker versions too from Bella Boulevard, paint, markers, of course yarn and different textile things. Here's a fun set of My Mind's Eye one of a kind. This is such a cute retro one, but it's only $5 off. And then here are some chipboard mini album pieces, some dies. This one's the Christmas tree, the stamp and die sets. Stampendous, we know them, some cross-stitching sets, and then of course tons of these loose papers, which none of these were certainly my cup of tea, but for $1.57, if you need to make some St. Patrick's Day projects, that one might be for you. But like I said, two whole sections of clearance, just a little bit messy, not a ton of crafting, but here are a few of the finds, like this adorable Kelly Creates journal, this Windorama stamp set from Stampendous, and again, some fun jewel sets. I like that they have these bundles like some of the other locations, some ribbon, of course, a few dollars off. And then they also had some of these awesome Spectrum Noir tri-blends, which I know are a hit among a lot of people, so a good deal. They also had some items from Doodlebug. These are some rub-on letters, again, in some of those collection packs that they create themselves. And I also found some memory planner stuff from American Crafts. And then I found a bunch of these Amy Tan holders and journal sets. So they have a couple of these with different price ranges, so definitely be careful if you're at your Tuesday morning. And if you're lucky enough to have multiple Tuesday mornings around, definitely check all of them. But these ones were so stinking cute, and there's another one under there that I had to pull out later. But I'm really happy with being able just to look and touch things, because I haven't been going to many craft stores, as many of you know. But look at all of these beautiful dies they had laid out at the bottom. I think she was just stocking it. She actually moved to another aisle, and there's just so many beautiful dies from Spellbinders and Sizzix and Momenta. They also had a ton hanging up, like We Are Memory Keepers ones, and then a bunch of EK Success tools, which I've been seeing roaming into Tuesday mornings on other people's channels that they've been sharing. So punches, scissors, punch boards, all of the above, and just a great deal overall than paying full price at a different box store, etc. But tons of cute stuff. Not a ton of this designer brand stuff. This was the first one that caught my eye, was that crepe paper one, but they did have some Paige Evans, some Vicky Boutin, and this is pretty much it on these few little racks here. But like I said, they did have a couple of these combo packs. This one again from My Mind's Eye, the Chill Collection, which is a fun summery collection with a little bit of pastel in there. $12 compared to $23. Not sure how realistic that pricing is for an older collection as such, but it is there if you guys are interested. And again, I definitely wanted to check out a couple stores in the area that I could while I was in a different state, so be sure to subscribe so you guys don't miss out on seeing the other one I got to go to, which I'll be uploading later and being able to share that with you guys. But a quick flip through of the papers. I know several of you guys know that I love paper pads, and sadly I only brought a backpack on this work trip, so I could not bring anything home with me, but I did consider buying some of these paper pads because I love paper pads. And of course they have some of these sets, which I believe are 25 sheets of paper of the same pattern. They even had some pink paisley, which I thought was a great find, and they had some, and a lot of these DCWV ones, the Just My Type seem to be pretty popular. but really cool stacks of paper to go through. They even had a Sizzix Big Shot there, which I know a lot of people were looking at getting for the holiday season. And then, of course, a ton of organization pieces and more fabric and tons of the fine art supplies. So markers, pencils, paints, all that stuff great for gift giving. And they have a lot of kits like that. So if you have someone who's interested in art in your life and you want to give them a gift for Christmas, etc., any holiday, this would be a good place to start. They even had some alcohol inks from Bria Ray, and I was really surprised by, it was disorganized, but what can you do? It's definitely fun to sift through things and look at all the organization and all of the elements they had. So it was fun to go through this aisle and explore. But here's an overlook of the main aisle. As you can see, they did have a lot of Cricut rolls and several vinyl pieces, so lots of stuff, just not what I was looking for. The most thing they had was paper, but let me dive in to a couple more cute things I found throughout the store. They didn't have any end caps, but I did find a couple random things. So this was in the gift wrap section, these pieces, and then I managed to find another Amy Tangerine journal set from American Crafts. And then I wanted to give you guys an up-close look at the Fresh Bouquet paper pad, which was the only thing I considered buying. It's adorable, from Crate Paper. But I did go through some more of the paper stacks that they had there and check out a bunch of the Graphic 45 elements, because I know a lot of you guys like that vintage look, and they had a ton of different ones, including the 25 page packs. So definitely check out your Tuesday morning if you are interested in seeing what they have, and a ton of cardstock. And then lastly, I thought it was interesting that they had this We Are Memory Keepers organizer, $19 as opposed to $30, which I know a lot of people liked. But that's it for me from Tuesday morning. I hope you guys enjoyed this shop with me. Although I didn't buy anything, I hope you enjoyed seeing it all. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will be back again with another walkthrough of another store very, very soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!